New tonight, the chief federal judge in Rhode Island is questioning ICE intentions. Did it intentionally misrepresent a case so it could criticize a judge?
NBC 10's Mike Cerullo has been tracking this story since the beginning. He's live in Providence tonight with the latest developments from court. Mike?
Well, Brian, Patrice, the court stopped short of formally disciplining the government's lawyer, Kevin Bolan. But in a new letter, Chief Judge John McConnell is scathing. In it, he's critical of ICE and what he calls an unfounded and false attack in statements made by the agency.
The special counsel investigation into Assistant U.S. Attorney Kevin Bolan is over. He's not facing formal discipline, but a special counsel found he violated his duty of candor when he intentionally withheld key information from Rhode Island federal judge Melissa DuBose. Bolan told the court ICE ordered him not to tell DuBose about an international homicide warrant for Brian Rafael Gomez before she ruled on his release. Without knowledge of the warrant, DuBose set him free, pending an immigration hearing. Homeland Security then launched a public attack calling DuBose an activist Biden judge and falsely suggesting she knew of the warrant and released Gomez anyways.
I think the court finds it extremely troubling that ICE withheld information from a judge, directed their attorney not to share that information, and then turned around and publicly scrutinized her.
NBC 10 legal analyst Austin Dana reviewed Chief Judge John McConnell's cautionary letter to Bolan.
What the court is saying in their letter to Attorney Bolan is, you should have asked for more time, or you should have brought this up the chain of command and gotten permission to give the judge the information that she needed.
McConnell's letter goes on to say he does not believe Bolan acted maliciously, but the courts do question whether ICE used Bolan as a pawn in a scheme to set up the attack on Judge DuBose, writing, quote, "This troubling sequence raised the question whether ICE deliberately manipulated the case briefing," and going on to say the court remains deeply concerned about the conduct by ICE officials that led to this incident and about the false statement issued by ICE. Once DuBose learned about the homicide warrant, she revised her ruling so that ICE could re-detain Gomez, but it was too late. To this day, he's nowhere to be found.
The Department of Homeland Security is standing by its attack on Judge DuBose. In its only statement to us today was an op-ed written more than a month ago calling that press release, quote, factually true. Again, Kevin Bolan, the attorney for ICE and the Department of Homeland Security, has apologized for his part in this whole thing and said the press release is, quote, inaccurate on the record in federal court. For now, live in Providence, Mike Cerullo, NBC 10 News.